Dear friends, after question number 4, there is question number 5. Write the answers to the following questions. Now here one number line is shown, and with the help of this number line we have to write answers of some questions. Now let's see first. Write the name of the opposite ray of ray RP. Opposite of RP. Now R point is here, P is here. Ray is going to right side. RP. Ray RP is going to left side, starting from R point, and we have to write opposite of RP, that will go to the left, starting from R. Now what we can write starting from R, opposite to RP, RS, and one more point is a T, therefore RT. These are two opposite. Therefore we can write here ray RS, or we can write ray RT. Ray RS or ray RT are opposite rays of ray RP, RS and RT. Second question, write the intersection set of ray PQ and RP. Intersection. Now intersection means common. We want intersection of PQ and RP. Then which segment or which ray, which line is common to both PQ and RP, then that will be intersection. Let's see. R ray PQ, ray is going to right side, PQ to that side, and second ray RP, R is coming from here, RP, this is a ray. Now ray RP and ray PQ, what is common in both? This segment is common in both. PQ is in ray PQ, and PQ is present in RP also, because it is the ray, not segment, that is going infinitely. Therefore, what is the intersection here? PQ is common, ray PQ. Therefore, we can write answer ray PQ is the intersection set of ray PQ and ray RP. Example number 3. In second we wrote intersection. Intersection means common. In third, write the union set of PQ and QR. Union means combine together. If we combine both the rays, which segment we get by combining both, that is the union. Let's say PQ. PQ ray is going here till here. Ray PQ and ray QR. QR is coming from here but this side. QR but till here. PQ is going to this side and QR is coming to this side. Now combine segment. What is the combined segment of both? PQ till here and QR till here. This segment is combined part. Combine means union. Then what is combined here? QR. QR is the combined part of both. Therefore answer is ray QR is the union set of ray PQ and ray QR. Example number 4. State the rays of which seg QR is subset. We have to write rays of which QR is subset. Means QR should be the part of that ray. Seg QR, not ray. Means both sides. Then which are the rays of which QR is part? Now one by one. Seg QR. QR is here. QR is here. Which are the rays of which QR is part? Now ray QR we can say ray QR and ray RQ, both sides. QR is coming to this side, RQ is going to that side, right side. Therefore, and say QR is part of both, or this is one QS SQ. Of this ray also QR is the part. Therefore we can write here ray QS and ray SQ. QR is the part of these rays also. One more pair QT TQ. Ray QT and TQ and ray TQ. These are the rays of which seg QR is subset. Example number 5. Write the pair of opposite rays with common endpoint R. Common endpoint R means we have to start from R point and opposite. Then which we can write? First this RP. Ray RP and ray, what is opposite of RP? Then RS. Ray RS. And RT also. RT, comma, ray RT. These are opposite. RP, opposite, RS, RT. Then RQ, opposite, RS, RT. Ray RQ. And ray, which are opposite to RQ, same, RS, RT. RS, RT. These are opposite rays with common endpoint R. RP, RS, or with that RT also. RQ, with that RS, RT. Example number 6. Now here write any two pairs with common endpoint S. Here common point was R. Here is S. Any two rays we have write from S. Now from S we can write SR, ray SR, and ray ST. Any two rays. SR, ST. These are two rays, opposite rays. Write any two rays with common endpoint. Now example number 7 of this question, write the intersection set of SP and ST. Intersection means common. SP is here and ST is here. What is common in both? Then this point is common in both, starting end point S. Therefore answer is point S is the intersection of ray SP and ray ST. Number 6. Again one number line is given, and with the help of this number line we have to answer some questions. First is state the points which are equidistant from point B. Point B is here, and equidistant means on the right side and left side, which are equidistant means same distance. If we take first here C point, 2 units to the right from B, 1, 2, 2 units to the right. Therefore which point is on left side? 2 units, 1, 2, then 2 unit is A. Therefore A and C are equidistant. Answer we can write points A and C. Again from point V is here at 1, 2, 3. From here 1, 2, 3 point is not given. Then D 1, 2, 3, 4 at 4 units. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4 at 4 units point P is there. Therefore points P and D. Points P and D. These are equidistant from B. Example number 2 is same again, but equidistant from point Q. From point Q. Point Q is here. From Q, 1 unit right, 1 unit left. UL. Points U and L. 1 unit. 2 units to right, 2 units to left. 2 units to right is P, 2 units left R and P. Points R and P. These are equidistant from point Q. Now with this, practice set is completed.